Now, y'all, I done went to the shoe show here in my city and found some $15 Crocs on sale. Ain't they the platform style? So let's unbox her, honey. Yes. So I'm so excited. I need me another white pair of Crocs. Y'all know I do a lot of festivals, and your girl has to be comfortable when I'm playing with my babies, honey. Yes. So I got me some Croc charms here. Yes, I'm so excited. Look, yes, so let's get started. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just gonna basically put Crocs on here that pertains to business and pertains a little bit about me. Kind of give my Crocs, a little character here. That's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, we're gonna go from there. Now, y'all didn't tell me I'm gonna be struggling now. Honey, man, this Croc charm was having a time, honey. But it's okay. We're going to get it in here now. We're going to get this thing in here together now. We're going to figure it out. So here I go, y'all. I don't figure it out. I don't pop it on up in there, honey. I had to wing it in and angle it just a little bit to get it on in that hole right there on the Croc. But yes, honey, I got the YouTube one. So now I'm applying the Snapchat icon one. Yes, honey. And then we're going to move forward and do Facebook, of course. Got to have your social media platforms on your shoe. I'm just saying. Marketing is everything. All right, so I'm adding the Google one. Now, y'all know I got to add the Apple Pay, honey. Yes, honey. Love it, love it, love it. So we're just going to apply that one in. So, I didn't have to put that much pressure on that one. How you doing? And, of course, Twitter is up next. And I got a Pinterest one. Now I gotta find me an Instagram one. That's the only one I'm missing. So if you got an Instagram one, let me know. DM me so I can buy that Instagram charm croc from you, please. Thank you, honey. And I got to do the thumbs up, the likes. Yes, honey. Got to put that right by Facebook. Telephone, call me. I know it's the WhatsApp, but call us. We do have a business phone. Gotta use soccer. For those that personally know me, they know I played soccer in high school, and I actually got a soccer scholarship to go play at Southern University. Yes, I did. I just want to throw that out there. Your girl was good in soccer now. You better ask somebody. Now, you know I got to put my Chick-fil-A charm on there. I love me some Chick-fil-A. And most important, got to put the black girl magic on there. I got to represent. Yes, I love that one. I absolutely love this charm. All right, how did I do, you guys? I absolutely love them. I will be marketing at my festival tomorrow with them and the rest of them in the future, honey. I love them. I love to be comfortable. So yes, marketing on my crocs. I can't wait to win for the first time tomorrow.